On September 29th and 30th in 2011, in Starych Jabłonkach near Ostródy, there was another conference on road safety issues organized by the Regional Road Safety Center in Olsztyn as part of the European project SOL, Save Our Lives. This project entails the development of a comprehensive road safety strategy and is being implemented in 2010 to 2013 in 8 Central European countries. The main objective of the meeting was the presentation of the Starych Jabłonkach SOL project objectives and to encourage local authorities to support the SOL strategy to improve road safety. The action plans aimed at 3 problem areas: child safety in road traffic, speed management, and driving under the influence of alcohol. The conference was attended by Mrs. Beata Bublewicz, MP, who chairs the parliamentary team for traffic safety and coordinates Polish implementation of the program of the World Health Organization Decade of Action 2011 to 2020. WORD RCBRD in Olsztyn, the implementer of the project in Warmia, Missouri, chose 3 cities as pilot areas for action: Barczewo, Nidzice, and Olsztyn. So among the invited guests were representatives of these cities, the president of Olsztyn and the mayors of Barczewo and Nidzice, and representatives of departments responsible for education, health policy and communications, as well as local police forces and fire brigades. The conference was also attended by representatives of the regional police headquarters in Olsztyn, the Olsztyn Provincial Road Administration, the Warmia, Missouri Board of Education, the Board of the District Red Cross in Olsztyn, and the Regional Government Office. The conference opened with a lecture by Professor Richard Krista of the Motor Transport Institute in Warsaw on the role of local administration in preventative measures for road safety. The professor presented international experience in this area and explained the principles of a modern approach to road safety, as adopted, among others, in the Swedish Vision Zero transport policy. As usual, a lot of time was spent discussing the issue of safety culture and the challenges that our country still faces. The second presentation covered the importance of partnership as a way to work together to improve safety at every administrative level. Its author, Boris Poleganov, director of the Partnership for Road Safety, a non-governmental organization acting as the Polish unit of the Global Road Safety Partnership, the GRSP, presented the organization's own extensive experience in developing partnership agreements with various individuals and institutions. The prospects of further action in the project and the implementation of the proposed SOL methodology was presented by Dr. Joanna Zukowska, representing the project team working in Olsztyn. Her presentation drew attention to the leadership role in activities at the local level. A person who is a representative of local authorities whose support is a prerequisite for the success of the strategy. In this way, the audience encouraged the authorities of the pilot cities to engage in the road safety initiatives taken in their local communities. The SOL project idea assumes that the implemented measures should contribute to a system of road safety structures at the local level to guarantee the continuation of the measures taken in the future, after completion of the activities covered by the project. In the second part of the conference, there was a presentation of experience in the field of road safety by the unit coordinating and supporting the project in the pilot cities. A partner who from the very beginning of the project has supported the SOL project is the Warmia, Missouri Regional Police Force in Olsztyn, who have been coordinating the project task of speed management. A presentation on the security situation in this regard at the regional level and in the cities of Barczewo, Nidzice and Olsztyn was presented by Commander Adam Kołodziński. The participants then had the opportunity to hear presentations by Gawronski Blaise, director of the Municipal Team for Prevention and Addiction Therapy in Olsztyn, who, in addition to the work of his team, presented the best practices for prevention of behaviors associated with alcohol abuse on the road, which are widely used in countries with the lowest traffic mortality rates. The problem of child safety on the road and experience in supporting various initiatives of regional partners in this field was presented on behalf of the WRD RCBRD in Olsztyn by the manager of the BRD Center, Christopher Piskorsz. In particular, they have established cooperation with the Center for Security in Primary School No. 1 in Barczewo and at Secondary School No. 3 in Nijica. Representatives of these centers supplemented the presentation by presenting their experience in implementing educational programs targeted at young road users. The conference also included a workshop meeting, which was attended by invited guests representing all the pilot cities. Joint discussion led to the adoption of a future work schedule and division of responsibilities in the project. There is another meeting planned in October to work on this project, and leaders will come from abroad. Kathleen Elsick of GRSP Geneva and Chris Lines, an independent consultant, to support the creation of strategies for all 8 international SOL partners. The conference organizer, WORD RCBRD in Olsztyn, who are responsible for the implementation of the SOL project, encourage all institutions and organizations interested in improving road safety in the region of Warmia, Missouri, to join in the work carried out in Barczewo, Olsztyn, and Nijica.